This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Come check out this spacious condo with a 2-car attached garage for storage, your vehicles, or golf cart. This is a place you can call home, and relaxing is made easy. The main level boasts a primary bedroom west/ensuite, a half bath, laundry room, formal dining room, living room west/fireplace, and a kitchen with an abundance of space and a wonderful sunroom. Upstairs you find the 2 additional bedrooms and full bath with a large open area at the top of the stairs for a possible reading area, hallway, library, etc. centrally located to dining, entertainment, shops, and more. For more information, review the details below.